Welcome back to Moduline's test kitchen. I'm going to try and make yogurt, and basically what I've got here is 1 litre of milk, which I've brought up to 83 degrees in the core, covered. Then I'm bringing it down to 43 degrees here, as you can see. What I'm going to do then with 1 litre of this warm milk is have 50 millilitres of live yogurt, add in some water, some milk here, give it a whisk, and what I'm going to do now is return the live yogurt with the milk back to the litre. So 50 millilitres of live yogurt to 1 litre of milk. Give it a whisk. Cover it again. Wrap it in a cloth. And as I said, these are flexible units. This is the first time I'm trying this. We'll see what it's like tomorrow. We're going to have this in here 12, we'll have a look, 12 hours definitely, might even leave it a bit longer. So I'm going to have it in here 43 degrees. That's it, and start.